Romer's hair loss began when he was 18 years old, but it wasn't the look he wanted as he grew older and started his own business.
I was 18 years old when I started losing my hair. It made me feel insecure and without freedom to do what I like to do, which is go to the pool, running without a cap, and just be with friends. So I did start a new business, and I want to have a better image of myself that brings me more confidence. So it's why I decided to do this.
After years of trying products, Romer's new hair solution finally created the change he was looking for.
My life changed 100% because now I'm more confident in myself. I can go to the pool and swim. I can run without a cap, and I can do my businesses with more confidence. My wife loves it, and my son always played with my hair, and so he just had fun.
For more information, call Invisions at 800-842-4247 or visit us online at envisionshair.com.